Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about retinoscope and its procedure. So, first we have to know what is retinoscopy. Retinoscopy is a technique used to obtain an objective measurement of refractive status of an eye by using an instrument called retinoscope. Now, what are the type of retinoscopy? There are two types. One is static retinoscopy when accommodation is fully relaxed, and the other one is dynamic retinoscopy when accommodation is active. Next, principle of retinoscopy. So, it is based on Foucault's principle, which states that the examiner should stimulate infinity at the working distance to obtain refractive error. Okay? Now, what is working distance? The distance between patient's eye and the observer while performing retinoscopy is called working distance. Now, the working distance is normally 66 cm, and for this distance we have to choose the working length of plus 1.5 diopter. Okay. Now, come to the procedure. The target given to the patient should be 6 by 16 Snellen's chart. It is given to the patient to relax accommodation during retinoscope. Now, what are the requirements? Dim and 6 meter room, retinoscope, trial lens, trial frame, visual acuity chart. Next, discuss about procedure. Patient should be instructed to fixate the distance target. Patient's right eye should be examined with the examiner's right eye with retinoscope in right hand and vice versa. Walking distance should be maintained an arm distance of 66 cm or 50 cm. Examine the four primary meridian of 90 degree, 180 degree, 45 degree and 135 degree. Three possible reflex may be observed. One is with motion, means the patient is hyperopic or emmetropic or myopic of less than dioptric value of the walking distance. Okay. 2. Against motion means patient's myopia is greater than the dioptric value of walking distance. 3. Neutrality means patient's myopia is equivalent to the dioptric value of walking distance. Now, how to neutralize spherical power? Suppose a patient's refractive error is plus 4.00 diopter spherical. We will get the movement without any lens at 66 cm. So, start with plus 1.00 diopter spherical and observe the movement in two meridians still with. Then add plus 2.00 diopter spherical and shows still with. Now add plus 3.00 diopter spherical and shows with. Add 4.00 diopter spherical and still shows with. Next, plus 0.50 diopter still shows with. Now add plus 6.00 diopter spherical and shows against. Then what to do now? Then deduct minus 0.25 or add plus 5.75 diopter spherical and shows against. Now deduct minus 0.50 diopter spherical or add plus 5.50 diopter spherical and shows no movement. Now deduct the walking distance of plus 1.50 diopter spherical means plus 5.50 minus of plus 1.50 equals to plus 4.00 diopter spherical. Proven. Now properties of reflex. If you see dim reflex, that means it is far from neutralization, and if you see bright reflex, that means it is close to neutralization. Wide or white means either high power or it is neutral. If width is narrow, then it means still far from neutralization. If wide, then it is close to neutralization. Okay. If shows slow in speed, then it indicates far from neutralization. Okay. And if shows fast, then it is indicates close to neutralization. Now movement. If shows with, then need more plus, and if shows against, then need more minus. In neutral state, you can see no movement and whole pupil is filled with light.
Now, how to recognize astigmatism? Now, if one meridian has against movement and another shows with movement, that condition indicates the presence of astigmatism. This is for today. If you want to know more about optometry, then stay tuned. And if you like the video, then like, share and do subscribe.